What I'd like to do is show you quickly how to open a QuickBooks file for this class. You're going to click on the icon and that'll bring up QuickBooks. I already have QuickBooks open to the screen that we want, but QuickBooks might open up to this screen here, which is the quick setup. You'll be using this Express Start and the Detailed Start in the second chapter, but you do not want this screen. If this screen opens up for you when you open your QuickBooks, just click and close it. This is a screen that you want to open your file with. You can see in this box there's no companies in here that we previously opened. As you work with QuickBooks, the last file that you've opened will show up in this box. But what you're going to do is, this is after you've downloaded the portable files, you're going to go in and open an existing company. Now you're going to go down, you would use open existing company if you'd had already been into that company. But what we're going to do is restore a portable file. This is one of the files that we downloaded from the Labyrinth site. So we're going to go next. Now it's going to ask me, I'm going to go get that file. Where is it? Well, my files are out here on the network. And so I think I showed you this earlier. They're under my portables. I already unzipped the file, so you can see all the files are in here. I'm just going to grab, let's just say, chapter 3 for fun. Open it. The next thing it's going to ask me is, you want me to open this chapter, where do you want me to put it? Well, I want to put that, I'm putting it in a file I call junk, because then I can just clear this file out and not worry about it. What you would want to do is put it in your QuickBooks file worked. I generally maintain 2 separate folders so that I can go between the unrestored files and then the files that I have restored previously. Now I'm going to tell it to put it in junk, but then as you open these, in the instructions it's going to tell you to put your name right there. So I would type in Deedon, clear out the extra stuff, and then I would hit save. When I do that, it's going to start to restore that portable file. At this point, you want to go get yourself a cup of coffee, maybe a soda or something, because this can take a little bit. My computer seems to be moving rather quickly, but I've seen on laptops before where this has taken 2, 3, 4, 5 minutes for portable to restore. Once it's up and running, it's not that bad. So it looks like mine's almost done here. It's going to hang up right at the end, and then ta-da, should show me the file. As I said, you can go get something to drink during this period of time while you're waiting for it to restore. If it comes up with this, QuickBook needs to update your company file. These portable files were created back when QuickBooks 2015 came out. They could be QuickBooks 15 version 1, version 1.1, version 1.2, version 1.3, and then they'll probably do a major update, and then it'd be QuickBooks 15 version 2.1, 2.2, 2.3. Long way to get there, but you want to update the company file to be current, because you will have the most current version of QuickBooks. When you downloaded and set up your QuickBooks file for 2015, one of the things that QuickBooks did automatically was go out to the Intuit site and then update itself. And so now you can see that I have opened up Wet Noses Veterinary Clinic, Chapter 3. Remember, you want to open up each different company as specified per the instructions for that chapter. Wet Noses Veterinary Clinic is what we'll be working with throughout the book in Apply Your Skills. And you can see, no, we don't want to set up an external accountant. We don't care about them monitoring our usage. They use that just to track and improve their program. Come on, open up. There's the Accounting Center. This is the home screen, they call it, or home page. And basically what it is the vendors, customers, employees, banking, and company. Basically runs you through the accounting cycle. But you can find the vendors are here, vendors are an icon, vendors are in a drop down, customers are here, customers are in as an icon, customers are in a drop down. You can do anything from either the home screen or from the top. So this is how you open a file. Any questions, you can drop me a line. Hopefully there will not be too many problems opening these. I have not really run into any issues opening the portable files other than it can take a while for them to open.